Hello, second grade. We are working on math lesson 2.4 today, which is measuring with metric units. And in yesterday's lesson, you were supposed to take home your activity pages and do a scavenger hunt at home with things that are about 1 centimeter long and finding things that are about 1 meter long. So let's look at a chart of some things we've compiled to see some things that are about 1 centimeter and about 1 meter. So some of the things that we found at home that were about 1 centimeter long was half of a penny, a staple, a rock, and a pea. And some things that we found that were about 1 meter long was the width of a doorway, the width of the refrigerator, half of your bed, or even your little brother. So now that we've found some things and charted them, let's think about how your inch rulers and your centimeter rulers are different. What are some things that you notice about the two of those? So some of you might say that they both have small rectangles that repeat over and over. They both have numbers, and the numbers start at 1. We notice that the centimeters are smaller than the inches. And because they are smaller than the inches, more will fit on a ruler. So instead of 12 on an inch ruler, the numbers on a centimeter ruler go to 30. Although there are some other differences such as color, design, and layout, those things are not necessary or important to us when we are working with measurement. So those things are not necessarily things that we need to worry about when we are using the rulers to measure. Now, you are going to take Student Activity Book page 423 and 424 and re-measure your longest and shortest jumps in centimeters. So you're going to go back and re-measure just your longest and your shortest jump in centimeters, and you're going to find the difference between the two. So if you will go and re-measure, fill out Student Activity Book page 423 and 424, and we'll meet back to discuss it later.